Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stock go up in GTA 5 bunker, only ways. Start by upgrading your bunker and keeping supplies full, then produce goods without selling immediately. Time your large sell run to a single buyer window, sell all stock at once, and avoid partial sales. Repeat the cycle after cooldowns, monitor the market impact, and only sell when the buyer pays the maximum amount for full stock. Make sure your bunker has staff and equipment upgrades, and keep a steady supply flow so production never stops. Choose the fastest resupply option you can reliably complete and avoid selling small batches. These steps build a full stockpile faster and make the single large sell much more impactful on stock movement, giving you the best chance to push the market in the direction you want. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite and keep game guides, patch notes, and tips at hand. It's light, has great battery life, and is easy to read between missions or during load screens. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more concise tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When your bunker reaches full stock, wait for a clean window with low session activity and trigger one full sell to the highest paying buyer. Do not split sales or accept mid-cycle offers, because partial sells dilute the market effect. After the transaction, allow the market to react and cool down before repeating the exact same routine to consistently raise the stock value over multiple cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.